So welcome back to Gentle TV. And today, kung napapansin nyo, I'm not wearing any makeup. Ang suot ko lang is, naglagay lang ako ng toner, moisturizer, and sunblock. Ayun. I used the Celatec Matte Moisturizer, this one. Ayan. Ang ganda niya kasi hindi siya sticky feeling. So, yun. I'll be reviewing this really soon. And based sa title, we'll be doing an unboxing video plus giveaway for you guys. I know matagal nyo itong hinihintay kasi nasabi ko na to during my IG stories, ganyan. And ito is none other than the gift of 2x Beautiful by Celatec and BDJ box. And this one is a BDJ Elite box. And I got 2 sets. So, I'll be giving the other set to you guys for a giveaway. So, ang mga itetest ko ngayon is exactly what are inside the box din. But I'm gonna give the products as well at the end of this video. So, please do stay tuned for the mechanics because I'll be flashing it basta mga middle of the video. So, yun. Let's proceed because I'll be heading to church. Kaya gagawin ko din yung makeup ko ngayon. And anong oras na? 2:45 na. I need to leave by mga 3. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito na siya. And pag inalis mo, ayan. Nakalagay, BDJ Box Elite. And ito yung mga products na nasa loob niya. Ayan. So, ayun. Ang tagal ko rin hindi nakagamit na nakakamiss, ano? So, ayan. Ito yung mga info cards. Ito, ayan. May mga tips dito sa mga malalaking cards. And then, doon sa maliliit na cards, ayan, bawat product meron siyang info sheet para alam niyo kung para saan siya, yung size niya, yung price niya, and yung mga shades na available. So, yun. Let's go ahead, and ito yung mga, ang aking suklay. Ito yung mga products na nasa loob. Ayan. So, let's start first with this. We have the Advanced Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil. Ayan siya. Nakatry na ako dito before. Yung malaking size. Ayun, maganda to siya guys kasi hindi siya masyadong sticky sa pakiramdam. Masarap siya i-massage. And also, wala siyang alcohol. Kaya, kapag ginamit mo siya sa eyes mo, hindi siya nakakasting. And, ano pa ba ito? With phytoesqualene and tocopherol acetate. So, ayan. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan, guys, kasi nakaseal siya. And, ayun, nagamit ko naman na to before. So, hindi ko naman siya gagamitin today. So, ayan. You will be receiving this as well. And this one is the Hydrolyte Moisturizing Mist. Ayan. Meron din malaking version nito. Maganda to pang travel size kung ganito kaliit. Ito yung moisturizing mist. You can apply this before makeup, after makeup, or in the middle of the day when you feel like parang dry yung skin nyo. So, ayan siya. And then next is puro makeup na. Alam ko excited kayo dyan. Ay, may primer. Let's try this first. Ay! Ang dami ko. Ay, kasi hindi ko titan. Hindi ko siya talaga. Ngayon ko pala siya talaga bibuksan, guys. As in, legit. So, we have the 2-in-1 eye bag miracle kit. Ito yung eye cream. So, and may shade siya, in fairness, natural. It's my first time to see a skincare na like yung eye cream. Pwede pa siguro moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. But, first time to see an eye cream with a shade. So, ito siya. Ganito siya. Itsura niya. And, ganyan siya i-open. Nakaseal siya. So, tada! Ayan. The shade is natural. Wait lang. Parang meron siya sa ilalim. Oh, it's a 2-in-1 bag miracle kit. So, we have the eye cream. Basahin nga natin. Hindi kasi tayo nababasa eh. We have the eye balm. Ito yung balm. Ilalagay natin siya before. And then, after we put the eye balm, we put the miracle kit or yung parang concealer na siya eh. For me, parang concealer na to. Yan. So, let's try first the eye balm. It says here, it's a combination of an eye balm that reduces puffiness under the eyes and an eye foundation that covers and lightens the eye bags. So, ayun pala siya. Ganyan lang. And may kasama siyang salamin. Ang cute. Let's remove may cover yung salamin niya. Ayaw matanggal. But yun, may kasama siyang salamin. And we're gonna try the eye foundation daw to. So, in fairness, mas maganda nga siyang spread Kasi yung eye balm, para siyang ano eh, yung texture niya parang silicone primer, parang ganon. So, pag nilagay mo yung eye foundation, ang kinis ng kalalabasan niya. Ayan. Hindi siya cakey, tas parang na-highlight. Though, parang hindi siya masyadong nakaka-cover. Ayan. Kasi, though nag-lighten siya, but it doesn't really cover. Pero nag-improve naman. So, let's see. Hanggang mamaya. Kasi baka kasi bagong apply ko lang, kaya hindi pa siya, yung puffiness ng eyes ko, hindi pa siya nababawasan. So, next, let's move on with the 24-hour Photo Ready Matte Primer. Ayan. Ayan, ganito yung lagayan niya. Ayan. Ayan. Maganda siya kasi makakontrol mo yung product. Ayan. It reminds me of the Benefit Professional. So, let's see paano pag-apply. Ito yung merong primer, ito yung wala. So, makikita nyo, bawasan yung appearance ng pores kasi ma-pores talaga ako dyan sa part na yan. Kaya sobrang oily skin ako dyan sa T-zone tsaka dito sa cheeks. Cheeks? So, ayan. Ayun lang. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. The Dermo Cosmetics CC Micro Hydrating Powder. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan, para siyang cushion. But this one is a powder. Alisin natin yung kanyang... Ayan. And, ay, may buo-buo. I'm in the shade Classic Natural. So, naro-rotate pala siya, guys. Ay, naku, ang dami. Ayan. So, parang buo siya ang pagkakaano ko. Ayan. Madami na tayong... I-rotate mo siya pa ganyan para mag-grind niya yung product. And, i-apply natin siya ngayon sa face. Kaso parang nadamihan. Parang dami. So, we're gonna apply it. Ayan, dito muna. In fairness, may coverage siya. Look, ito yung aking mga ugat-ugat. Ito siya, may coverage. So, I suggest para siyang cushion mo yung pag-apply. Patting motion. Oh, I love it. O, diba? May coverage. Ito yung meron. Ito yung wala. Ay, aliw. Let's move on with the eyebrow defining kit. We have 2 shades. Ayan. Meron tayong medium brown and deep brown. Ito yung shade. As you can see, ito is wax and this one is powder. I don't normally use eyebrow wax kasi, ayan, full naman siya. So, I just wanna make it na mas, yung mga sparse area, medyo mas magmukha pa siyang fuller. So, we're gonna try it out. Ay, sorry guys, mapapasin nyo may breakout ako dyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But yan, we're gonna try out and use the brush. I'm gonna use this. Next, we have the Longwear Eyeshadow Palette. Ayan, they have 3 shades. We have here Smoky Gray, and Pink Orchid. Warm brown. How it looks like, halos same siya nung eyebrow defining kit. Ayan, on top of each other. Medyo mas malapad lang yung eyebrow defining kit ng konti, pero almost the same size and yung itsura. Ayan. So, this is the Longwear Eyeshadow Palette in warm brown. So, what I'm gonna do is, let's try to use the primer. Ayan. Parang wax din siya. And apply it dito. And for this, I'm gonna apply this orange shade sa top lang ng lid ko. And makulay pala talaga siya. So, let's go ahead. in fairness, yung isang kalbit ko na ganun, ayan na siya. Halos buong lid na yung nalagyan niya. Pag may eyeshadow primer, guys, pag wala, feeling ko hindi siya ganun kadaling i-blend. So, I suggest gamitin yung kasama na primer. And I'm gonna use the dark brown dito lang sa corner para lang magkaroon tayo ng outer V, kunyari. Ayan, hindi ko masyadong bet na pang blend to, so ito na lang kamay. Then, next, guys, we have the Moisturizing Lip and Cheek Duo. And ito siya. We have 2 shades. Ito yung Soft Berry. Ito. Ayan. And Rosy Blush. Itong nasa taas. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin for the cheeks. I want to use the Rosy Blush kasi gusto ko medyo, ano lang tayo ngayon. Natural lang kasi pupunta tayo ng church eh. Ayan. In fairness, maganda. And ang bango niya, parang candy. Ayan. Lastly, guys, we have the Ultra Nourishing Lip Lacquer. Ayan, yan yung lagayan niya. And we have 2 shades, Velvet Red and Natural Nude. Almost the same with the Lip and Cheek Duo. Ito yung Lip and Cheek Duo natin. Diba? Almost the same. Today, of course, we'll go with the natural nude. Kasi, again, sa church tayo pupunta. Yeah, I see. So, iba nga lang yung formula niya compared to sa Lip and Cheek Duo. Yung Lip and Cheek Duo, it's more, medyo mas buo siya. Kaya mas mabiblend mo. This one is more of a lipstick talaga. Liquid lipstick. So we're gonna try it out. Meron lang windburn dyan. Ay, sobrang init ng panahon. Pero, ayan. Oh! I'm gonna go closer. It's nice. This one looks really healthy on the lips. Ayan. Ayan. So, yun guys. If you want na medyo matte, then you can use the Lip and Cheek Duo. Pero kung gusto nyo medyo parang healthy na may lip gloss effect, then use the lip lacquer. Ayan. It's very, very natural. Okay, now guys, for the mechanics of the giveaway, first, you must be a follower of my social media accounts, my blog and YouTube channel. I'll be linking all the links and information down below, yung mga links ng social media ko. Pero of course, if you're already following me, you know that I'm at Jenselaces on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, and Jensel TV on YouTube. And then, next is, you must screenshot or take a photo nung bell ring na naka-on siya para I know that you get notified kapag may bago akong videos. So, yun. Kasi nagbago ng algorithm yung YouTube. So, kaya minsan may mga nagtatanong bakit wala daw bagong update. Kasi yun, kailangan naka-turn on yun para manonotify kayo ng mga bagong uploads ng mga sinasubscribe nyo na YouTuber. And then third is, you must share this video on any of your social media platforms na madalas yung ginagamit, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, ayan, kung anong gusto nyo. Just use, don't forget to use the hashtags na Jensel loves PDJ, Jensel loves Celotech, She Sings Beauty, sorry guys kung madami, and Jensel giveaway. So, yung 4 na yun. And mas okay na din if you will tag Celotech Dermo, Celotech Dermo Cosmetics, I think, on Instagram, and BTJ Box, yung mga platforms nila. And then, lastly, comment down below your complete name para when I draw the winner, and yung social media handle nyo kung saan nyo shinare yung video. And ano pa ba? Any message or any request na gusto nyo gawin kong video sa mga susunod na videos ko. So, ayun lang guys. And again, ang mga mapapanalunan nyo is yung mga nandito sa box na to. I'm just gonna repeat it. So, you have the cleansing oil, you have the hydrating mist, and then the micro hydrating powder, 24-hour photo ready matte primer, and the 2-in-1 eye bag miracle kit, and the Lip and Cheek Duo, and also the ultra nourishing lip lacquer, the 3 long wear eyeshadow palettes, and also the two shades of the long wear eyeshadow, the eyebrow defining kit. Hi guys, so I'm back and it's already 5:35 in the afternoon. So umalis ako mga 3:30 So, 3:30, 4:30, almost 2 hours din. And ang napansin ko, ayan, medyo nag-fade na siya dito sa part na to. Lalo na yung sa ilong ko. Wala na siya. Tapos, dito sa my under eyes, parang ang naiwan na lang na makeup sa akin, yung ito, yung may makeup underneath. Pero yung mga 100% na micro hydrating powder lang is nag-fade na siya agad. Ang tingin ko kasi wala siyang kinakapitan na makeup. So, I guess this one, hindi siya okay kapag mag-isa mo lang siya gagamitin. It's better if you put this as a finishing powder. Siguro okay siya alone, like for retouch, or kung alone man is yung talagang sasaglit ka lang somewhere. Pero yung to the point na matagal mo siyang gagamitin, tapos ito lang yung gagamitin mo, mag-fade siya kaagad. Same thing with the eyeshadow. Though we used the primer, medyo nag-fade din siya agad in just 2 hours na, na pag-wear sa kanya. So, ayan. Medyo parang hindi mo na siya masyado mahalata. Pero, ayan, naggumamit naman tayo ng primer. And, andyan pa naman yung blush. Yung sa lips din, andyan pa naman siya, though may konting fade, pero andyan pa din siya. So, yun yung aking review sa kanya. I will still review this or test this, and then I'll update you in a blog post. Nandun ko i-update yung talagang long time na pag-test ko sa kanila. Syempre kasi first impression ko lang naman to with all these products. And right now, I want to try the Lip and Cheek Duo as a lipstick, just to show you guys kung ano itsura niya when you put this on your lip. Very ano siya, parang satin finish, hindi naman siya super duper matte. So ayan. Though yung eyebrow pala, so far okay naman siya, meron pa rin siya. So yan, ito lang yung niretouch natin. Tapos ito, ayan, kung i-retouch natin siya, let's try to retouch. Cover naman siya ulit if you retouch it. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and if you love it, I will really appreciate that. And also share this video with your friends. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, this is Jenzel, and wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup. Bye!